Now I told a story. The name of the story is The Scholar's Mother Tongue. So here in this page you find that there is a story about a king, and the name of the story is The Scholar's Mother Tongue. So this story is from Marigold class 4. You can find this story from class 4 Marigold book. So name of the story is The Scholar's Mother Tongue. A learned Pandit once visited the court of Akbar. He told the king and his courtiers that he had mastery over many different languages. Now, a Pandit is there, a learned Pandit who once visited the court of the Akbar. He told the king and his courtiers that the Pandit who visited the court of Akbar, he told the king and his courtiers that he had master, means he had the knowledge about many different languages. The Pandit told to the king and his courtiers that he had the knowledge over many different languages. Now the Pandit could speak many languages fluently. He was so fluent that no one could find out what his mother tongue was. So the language of the Pandit who visit the courtier of Akbar, he speaks so fluently languages that his language was so fluent that no one could find out that what his mother tongue was. Okay. Now he challenged everybody that at the court to name his mother tongue. So after that, Pandit challenged everybody at the court that how he talk. You all should name the mother tongue, that in which language I talk. Okay, he challenged everybody about that. So Pandit মানে এত তাড়াতাড়ি ফ্লুয়েন্টলি ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজগুলো বলে যে কেউ বুঝতে পারে না যে আলটিমেটলি তার মাদার টাংটা কি, ইটস আ বেঙ্গলি, ইটস আ ইংলিশ অর এনি আদার ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ। সো আলটিমেটলি সেটা কেউ বুঝতে পারে না। তো দেন দি পণ্ডিত চ্যালেঞ্জড এভরিবডি ইন দ্য কোর্টিয়ার্স অফ দ্য কিং টু নেম হিজ মাদার টাং, দ্যাট ইন হুইচ ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ হি স্পিক। Now when everybody failed, the challenge was taken up by Birbal. So no one able to tell that what his mother tongue was. After everyone failed, the challenge taken up by the Birbal of the court, of the Akbar's court. You know that Birbal was a person who is a very intelligent person. You know Birbal was a very intelligent person in Akbar's court, that we all know. So Birbal took that challenge that he will tell that in which mother tongue Pandit spoke. So that night Birbal went quietly to the Pandit's room when he was asleep. He whispered into the Pandit's ear and tickled it with a feather. The Pandit, half awake, cried out suddenly and shouted out words in his mother tongue. So what happened next day? Next day, that night, when Birbal took the challenge, he quietly, very silently go to the Pandit's room when Birbal was asleep. When the Pandit was asleep in his bed, at that time Birbal went to his room and he whispered something into Pandit's ear, and he give some and he tickled something in his it with a feather, and he write something with a feather in his ear. Okay, he whispered in his ear, and he write something with a feather in his ear. Now Pandit was half awake. he suddenly told and shouted some words in his mother tongue. Okay, when Birbal tell something in his ear, যখন বীরবল মানে কিছু বলছিল, মানে ও যখন ঘুমাচ্ছিল, বীরবল পণ্ডিতের রুমে গেছিল এবং ওর কানের মধ্যে কিছু বিড়বিড় করে বলে দিয়েছিল। বলে দেওয়াতে ওর যে ফিদারটা দিয়ে তারপরে ও কিছু এঁকেও দিয়েছিল বীরবলের গালের মধ্যে। তখন পণ্ডিত কি করেছিল না, হঠাৎ করে জেগে চেঁচিয়ে উঠেছিল, ওর ভাষায় বলে ফেলেছিল তখন পণ্ডিত। তখন বীরবল কেম টু দ্য কোর্ট নেক্সট ডে। দেন বীরবল when came to the court next day, he told everyone that Pandit's mother tongue was Telugu. The Pandit was surprised and accepted the truth. Now next day যখন আলটিমেটলি তাহলে কি হলো না, বীরবল যখন পরের দিন রাজার কোর্টে এলো, তখন ও বলে দিল রাজাকে যে here Pandit's mother tongue was Telugu, and Pandit became surprised that how Birbal came to know that my language was Telugu, because before yesterday's night Birbal goes to Pandit's room and he writes something in his ear, told something in his ear, and suddenly Birbal told some words in his mother tongue when he was asleep, and Birbal able to know that his mother tongue was Pandit's mother tongue was Telugu. So in this way Birbal came to know the truth of the Pandit, and he told to King Akbar. So King Akbar then asked Birbal that how did you find the truth? Then Birbal answered that it's some portion it is difficult, but I have some intelligent, but I am a person speak only in his mother tongue. But Birbal answered that in times of difficulty a person speak only in his mother tongue. তখন বীরবল কি বলেছিল না, যখন মানুষে কোনো বিপদে পড়ে বা কোনো সমস্যায় পড়ে তখন কিন্তু মানুষ সে তার নিজের ভাষাতেই কথা বলে। তো আলটিমেটলি ওকে আমি যখন ওরকম বিরক্ত করেছি, অটোমেটিক ও তার মাদার টাঙে কথা বলেছিল এবং আমি জানতে পেরে গেছিলাম যে ওর মাদার টাং কী। He also told the king that how he gone to the Pandit's room at night to find out the truth, that what was the mother tongue of the Pandit. So this is the answer given by Birbal to the king, and the king became too much happy. So this was the story about the Pandit, about the scholar's mother tongue, about the Pandit, and about the king. Okay, so I think you all enjoy this story. Students who like my story should subscribe it, and you should learn the story from here. You all enjoy this story. The story is adapted is given from the Akbar and Birbal stories.